Hey Mike at All Pro Quality Garage Doors. This is my LiftMaster Formula 1 2280-267 belt drive garage door opener. Installed in 2003 by me. It's got a one-piece T-rail and then standard tensioning system on the belt. Then we got some new springs I put on last month. Each with 7 turns on them. 7.5 was too much. New rollers I replaced yesterday. 13 ball bearing nylon steel roller, or some sealed rollers, not steel. Greased up door. Door runs very smoothly. Go ahead and release it for you. Very smooth door. Perfectly balanced. Very nice door. Go ahead and close it down. Go ahead and re-engage this trolley. I absolutely love this opener. I'll let you hear it in a minute. As you can hear, the rollers are very smooth on this door. Door drops down. Go ahead and reattach the arm. I'll go ahead and run it up for you. Button's cracked. Gotta replace that. Very quiet unit. Smooth operation. Go ahead and run it down. Very quiet. So there you go. I hope you liked the video. Just respond back if you see it. See you later. Bye.